Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use different filters on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have some spotlights, the videos you can check out, stories, we have your camera, and in the bottom left corner, we have your location and your chats. I will not be showing my chats because I have some, of course, personal chats there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use different filters on Snapchat. So, to get different filters on Snapchat, you can go and follow these 4 options. Swipe left or right to choose a filter, so you can do that when you're on your camera, of course. Add more than one filter by swiping to a filter you like, tapping the icon that looks like a stack of papers with a plus sign to lock it in, and then swiping to another filter and pressing the same icon to add it to the filter stack. You can add up to 3 filters for photos and up to 5 filters for videos. To enable filters, open the Snapchat application, swipe down on the camera screen, tap the gear icon, scroll down and tap Manage Preferences, and slide the filters switch right. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys!